guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaris. Today I'm coming to you guys with a hair install video using Diamond Diva lace tint. As you can see, my lace looks good. It matches my skin color perfectly. The color I've got is mahogany, and as you can see, I look dark chocolate. My lace looks like chocolate. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys how my hair was installed and me curling my hair to get this look. Make sure you check out all the information down below. I'll have their links, their social media, and where you can purchase this lace tint. So hi guys, I'm getting my hair done. So today I'm doing a hair tutorial with Diamond Diva hair tint. As you can see, the colour is mahogany. I've already worn the wig before, but my sister's just going to customise it and do a hairstyle on my head today. As I'm celebrating my 100k Instagram followers tomorrow. Can't believe I reached 100k, so I want to do a dinner tomorrow. So today I'm doing all the prep for tomorrow. So she's going to do my hair straight and a plait, like let me show you the look we're going for, and then tomorrow I will curl it. So I'm going to do a part 2 and show you guys it curled. Let me show you guys what I'm going for today. This is the hairstyle, but tomorrow, and this is the back. Tomorrow I'm gonna curl it because today
I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance, way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me.
Okay, as you can see, the lace, not the lace, the bold cap has been cut, and then she also put foundation on my bold cap. We use the tint on the lace. I don't know where she put it, but yeah, we use the tint on the lace. This hair is from Leah Hair. It's so nice and thick and long. I think it's 30 inches. It might be longer actually. Let me see. Oh, 34 inches. Sorry, it's actually 34. It's mad long to my bum. Just need to straighten it again, but I love the hair. Leah Hair, the hair is always great quality. The lace is always 10/10. And I also have a discount code, so I'll put it in the description below. I look like my forehead is big, like. Oh my days.
I can't see it, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Calm down, sugar be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when
She's gonna use the small pencil hot comb, small pencil straightener to the edges.
stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time change. You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the blame. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it, it's so embarrassing.
So she has curled the edges. Now using ebon. Oh, this. Even me, I like to use hairspray to do edges. Just looks so nice. I'm gonna sleep like this tonight.
All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind.
This is the hair so far. Yeah, so guys, tomorrow we're gonna do the parting. Put concealer. You put concealer down the middle, and then you also darken up the roots a little bit. And then we're gonna do the plait at the back, and I'm gonna curl it, do waves. But I love my hair already. The hair texture is so nice. Also need to cut the back into a blunt cut because I love a blunt cut. But I'm so happy I've done this hairstyle. I always do like really simple hairstyles, so I'm looking forward to how this looks completely. But I love it already. Because we're going out to celebrate my 100k followers. We're going to dinner. So my sister just did a plait at the back, a really cute fan plait. As you can see, so I'm about to curl my hair using this bubbleless curlers. I have a big one but I can't find it, so I'm going to just use this one. I'm going to do ring curls. It's probably going to take me a while because the hair is 34 inches. But what's the time? I've got 40 minutes to do it before I need to start my makeup. And then the girls get here and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to just curl it section by section and then brush it out after. I'm going to brush it out after I do my makeup. And you guys will see the finished look.
You didn't have to feel like that. I never make you feel like that. I love me. I love being up for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so great of?
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Love you. Bye.